Welcome to a new vlog in the new studio. I apologize in advance for the noise in the background. The house where our new apartment is in has just been built and there's still some construction noise going on in the background. So yeah, bear with me. So where should I start? It feels like ages since I've last talked to you. It almost is. It's quite a few weeks ago. The last time I talked to you, I was busy finishing up the new collection because I wanted to get everything done before the move and everything looked pretty good. But then I broke my wrist. Well, technically I didn't break my wrist, I just had a crack in one of my wrist bones. But I had to wear a plaster cast on my right arm, and since I'm right-handed, I basically wasn't able to do anything, which was very unfortunate. And also meant that I had to postpone the new collection. But luckily I talked to my wholesale partners and they were very understanding, which I'm very grateful for, and yeah, everything's fine. I just have to get it done as soon as possible now. Other than that, I was just busy with moving everything in and setting everything up in the new space. I will show a proper mini studio tour in the next vlog, so hopefully you can keep your excitement for a little bit, because I finally got my right hand back, which means I will dedicate this whole day to putting all of the final touches to the cards. First of all, I'm going to print out all of the card designs in their actual size and then check on them to see if I spot any mistakes which didn't appear to me on the computer screen, see if the composition turns out right, because sometimes I feel like there can actually be a little bit of difference between the picture on the computer screen in comparison to when you hold the actual card print in your hand. And then edit all of the stuff I need to edit, make the actual print files and hand it all into print by this afternoon, hopefully. So yeah, in order to get on with this, let's do this. So that went pretty well. There's not a lot to edit, not even every card needs editing. These cards here, for example, don't need any editing at all, which is great. It's just these cards which need a little bit of editing, and I will show you quickly what I mean with this. These presents here just look a little bit off composition wise, and I just have to move them around a little bit and extend some edges to make it look a little bit more even. Yeah, that's about it. Here it's a little bit too close, so I need to seed the space a little bit, but yeah, that's about it for this card. Here I want to change the colors slightly because it's actually very unusual for me to have two cool tones together in one card. I just think I will switch it up a little bit with a warm lilac. We will see. And that's about it for the cards. And now I will also print out the vitamin print, which I'm finally done with. Yay! It actually took me a lot shorter than I expected it. Doing the illustrations as well as doing the actual print itself, which was a little bit surprising to me after the plant guide, which took me like ages, but I like those kind of surprises. If you watched the video where I did my plant guide print, you probably already know that I always like to print out everything in the actual size something's going to be printed, and therefore I needed to print out the vitamin print in size A3, but I only have A4 paper and an A4 printer here, so I basically just split the print in half and placed it on two A4 sheets and then put it together so I get the full size. This is actually very handy to see how the composition is working and the real actual size of the finished product. And it also helps with spotting specs, because actually spots can sometimes be so small that you won't actually spot them when they are not in full size. But on the full size print you would actually recognize them, which would be too unfortunate. So that's basically what I'm gonna do now. Go on the hunt for spots. So I'm done with editing now and I handed everything into print, which is always a big relief for me because it means I can't mess anything up anymore because it's gone out into the world and yeah, I just let my babies go. I'm just really happy right now, and what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is do some sketching because I haven't done it in ages because of my wrist thing. I haven't painted properly for the last 2.5 weeks, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Happy! I might also take a trip to the garden center today or tomorrow because during moving day I took all the plants I had in my old studio and put them in the bathroom just because here was enough space and they didn't get in the way of anybody. But now I don't know if I want to change anything about it because I quite like the look of it. Feels a bit like an oasis. So what else can I do besides buying more plants? I will end this vlog here now. I know it's a little bit short, but I just wanted to give you a little update and check in with you guys because it felt like a little bit too long. Those of you who have just recently moved can probably relate that moving just sucks in a lot of time. And right now I'm just excited to get back into a little bit of a work routine and vlogging routine and just a routine in general. So yeah, just a normal everyday life. Other than that, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope to see you again in the next one soon. Bye!